Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to unbox a product that I purchased from an ad that I saw, I think it was on Facebook or Instagram. And this is from the company Infuze Hydration. And this is a 32 ounce size. I did open it already once, and just so I could kind of get a feel for what how it works and everything. So, but I put everything back in the box so you can see how it comes. They put this in here, and then they have it bubble wrapped, and then there's a plastic seal around this piece, which is the top. Now this can go on the bottle, but this is the basic thing that they are, I guess, I don't know if it's patented, but this is their product right here. And this will fit on most wide mouth lids. So it has the treads around here, so it'll go on, wide mouth bottles. And let's see, it has this straw. I gotta clean it because it gathers fuzz really easily. And it's made out of a rubber. So I got an alcohol wipe here, so let me just clean it off, and so you can see what it looks like up close. So it's just, it's just a rubber straw, so it's reusable, and it comes tucked away inside here. I plan to wash all this before using it, and I'll show you how it works here in just a second. But then it also I ordered both pieces. You can order either, they have different size bottles. They have stainless steel, they have plastic, and they have, I think, a 20 ounce and then 32 ounce. And I chose the 32 ounce because I drink a lot of water now. It has the Infuze logo right here at the bottom, but I liked the colors of this. And I have something special that I'm going to be doing with this. So if you keep watching my channel, you'll actually see what I do with this, because it's going to be really cool. So yeah, this one's a stainless steel, as you can see there. And these 32 ounce stainless steel, I don't know what we would call it, bottle, is this is $25. Okay, and then this right here is $25, so it's $50 for the whole thing. Now, the cool thing about these, well, you can choose the different color lids too. I chose the clear, and then the bottles, I wanted a variegated double toned, but they have several different colors. So with this lid, here's where you have it's kind of, there we go. There's the spout that you sip out of, and you insert your straw onto here, and then there's another feature here that's really cool. I don't know if you've seen these other brands. I tried this other brand before where you had to, they were flavor things that you would stick up inside, and then it would go into the bottle. I think actually you had to buy you had to buy the special things from them. You couldn't refill them yourself or anything, and then you could have the flow where you could make a little come out or a lot. And this is just really tight in here. This is the same concept, except this is way cooler. You'll pull this off because that's the vent. So I'm going to go ahead and pull it off. Show you. Here it is right here, a little sticker. So there's the little vent hole. And this is where you fill it up. And you can buy their flavor, or you can buy any other brand. And I have my own little flavor juice, water flavoring stuff that I'll put in here myself to use, because sometimes I do want just plain water, and other times I want the flavored stuff. So I thought this would be really cool. That will keep me from having to flavor my water every single time I fill it up, because it'll already have it in here, and it holds quite a bit. Some people like a lot, some people like a little. All right, so it just slides right in, right there, and then you just push it into where it's sealed. It's not easy to pull out, so it's not going to just fall out for you. You know, you have to actually pull on it. But right here is the thing where you adjust how much flow you want to go through it. And that's about it. You know, and then it's got a nice rubber spot right there for your mouthpiece to keep covered as well. And it's got this hook right here for you to, you know, hook it to your belt or whatever. But here's what it looks like when you screw it on. And I mean, that's 32 ounces of water. So 2 of these a day would get in my daily amount of water. But it's got some great rubber seals on it, so you don't have to worry about it spilling. And I am really looking forward to actually using it to, you know, put some ice in here and then put the water in, and you can actually set it on your nightstand and have nice cold water for the next morning, or your flavored juice. And that's it. But yeah, I am going to do something with some of the new type of stuff that I'm going to start putting in my shop. But I'm going to do something to the outside of this, and I don't want to mess it up because this is a $25 bottle, and I would really hate to ruin it. But yeah, I think it's going to look really cool. So keep watching for future videos for when I make this look super cool. But yeah, if you like this, I will link them down below. I'm not associated with them whatsoever. I did contact them to see if they had any kind of a discount code that I could, you know, give to my viewers, and they never got back to me. So, you know, I did find a discount code from another person's channel, and I will go ahead and put his discount code down below. That way, you know, if you guys are interested, at least you'll save some money. I'm not going to make you not save money. I paid full price because I didn't find a coupon. I didn't even look. But yeah, if you are interested in trying it out, yeah, I'll put that. I think it's 15% off. So you'll save, you know, like $7.50. That's, you know, more than, you know, less than what I paid. So a little bit's better than nothing. So there you go. Let me know if you have one of these, what your experiences are with these, if you already have. And yeah, I'd be really interested to hear what you have to say, because there really wasn't a ton of information out there on this company, because I think it's pretty new. Yeah, leave a comment down below. Let me know. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And I would say have fun diamond painting, but you may not be a diamond painter coming to this channel. But if you are, have fun diamond painting. And don't forget to always sparkle wherever you go and whatever you do. Take care, everyone. Bye.